Alright, got the rebuilt V900. I decided not to fly it last because I don't want to end my day on a crash. So I have no idea if it's going to fly or not. The wings aren't quite straight, so we're going to see what happens. A little nervous about this one. Yeah. It doesn't want to fly. Okay, we're up. We're up in safe mode. We're out of. Oh shit! Oh no! Thought okay. Oh. Oh no! She was not ready. Oh man! Oh Lord! Oh, I should have flipped it back into safe mode. I don't know how the hell that was keeping it straight, because that son of a bitch was everywhere. Well, let's go down here. I think, oh man, watch out, deer. Y'all could have been injured. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah. We got the... So yeah, I think I'm going to find something that needs a motor, similar to what's in the V900. Oh. I'd feel a lot worse if... Oh look, I see the tail, like a big orange flag sticking up. I guess that's why they painted orange. Well, you can find it easy. I wonder if that would fit in one of them EF Extra planes that you guys brag about. Yeah, I probably couldn't see any of it. It was probably a dust dot. It looked like it was an invisible washing machine. I wonder if my wing repair held up though. It had a lot of carbon in it. I'm kind of curious. Oh no! I see it's. Oh, she's opened up like a can of tuna. Oh, the nose is off. Oh, hold on. If you're squeamish, don't look. It's rated NC 17. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Look at that though. That is one strong wing. Whoever repaired that wing obviously did a terrible job, because the plane crashed, but well, it took a hit. Carbon spars still together. Oh, I ripped the guts out of the front of the wing. Second prop I broke. You know, people are right. The props break too easy on these V900s. Oh, that's good. Oh, that motor don't feel good now. Hopefully it's just some crud in here. Oh yeah, I think there's some crud in there. I think she's... So what I've done is I've got a good ESC and a good motor and 4 crappy servos. Oh, well, 3 crappy servos. This is why I didn't fly this one last. I probably could have got it back down if I'd flipped it to safe, but I would never be able to fly it anyway, so I don't know if it mattered. I don't know if I could have made it turn sharp enough to get back, but yeah, safe was actually somehow managing to keep it level. I don't know how. All right, well, we'll be back. The carnage. Battery seems fine. So we'll be back in a few minutes with the timber hex.